Hello students, this is session 5 of the lesson on contextual clues. In session 4, we looked at antonym or contrast clues and comparison clues. In this session, let's see how example clues work. You are familiar with the word example, aren't you? What do you think are example context clues? In example context clues, the writer gives examples to help you understand what an unknown word means. Let us look at an example clue now. Take a minute to read the text. All right. In this text, the writer has used two example clues. He says that markets are physical places and gives us an example to explain what he meant by physical places. He has used the words such as to signal the example clue. In order to explain what he meant by markets are moving online, he has given us several examples. And he uses the word examples to signal the clue. In addition to example clues, the writer has used two explanation clues in the text to clarify his points. I hope you noticed that as well. Please note, writers sometimes provide examples to help you understand an unfamiliar word. To signal an example, they use words such as, for example, for instance, including, such as, specifically, to illustrate. Let us look at another example now. Read the text, take a minute and read the text. All right. What are the issues dealt with in microeconomics? See if you can figure out the meaning from the information given in the text. In this text, you will notice that the writer has used examples to explain the issues dealt with in microeconomics. How did you figure it out? You might have noticed that the writer has used the words such as to signal the example clue. So when you are reading, please look out for these clues. All right? This will help you understand the text better. All right, we have now come to the end of session 5. What did you learn in this session? Yes, you learned that writers sometimes use example clues to clarify their ideas, didn't you? All right, thank you. See you in session 6.